worship is very important. That's why we pray together, we worship together, because this reminds us to open our hearts to the Lord. Wala pong ibang bagay na mabilis pong magpalayo sa inyo sa Panginoon at magpatigas ng ating puso, kundi ang rebelling and really not fully submitting to our God. Look at verse 10 of Psalm 95. How many years po sila na sinamahan ng Panginoon? How many years? 40 years. But look at Psalm 95. Ano po sabi sa verse 10? They have not known my way. 40 years. They are always committing mistakes sa kanilang puso. Diba? Tayo nga mga kapatid, minsan, isang araw lang, hindi natin matitiis. Ang pagkakamali ng mga tao. Talaga pong naiinis na tayo. This is 40 years. And yet God says, they have not known my way in those 40 years. They keep wandering away from me. Wow, what mercy and patience of our God ang pinakita po sa kanila. Now, to tell you the truth mga kapatid, ang bayan ng Diyos nang sila'y nasa wilderness, hindi po sila namatay sa kawalan ng pagkain. At hindi sila namatay dahil wala silang mainom. The cause of their death is their disobedience and sin and rebelling to God. Not because of lack of provision, but because of lack of trust and lack of obedience to God. This is what brings death to our heart, to our fellowship with God. And that's why when this happens sa ating mga kapatid, kapag hanggang ngayon ang buhay natin ay nasa period pa rin ng pagre-rebelde, complaining and grumbling against God, you will see, mga kapatid, sabi ng Panginoon, you will never find rest. You will not find rest sa ating mga buhay. There will always be restlessness sa atin. And whenever we worship, we cannot truly worship God. We cannot express our wholehearted thanksgiving sa Panginoon. See that? Hindi po sila namatay sa Red Sea. Hindi sila namatay lang sa mga enemy. Sabi nga ng Panginoon, 40 years ang inyong mga damit hindi kumupas. Aba lumalaki po sila, lumalaki rin ang damit nila. Aba lumalaki yung mga paa nila, lumalaki rin yung mga tsinelas nila, sandals nila. And God provided more than what they need. Manna, meat, quail. And yet God and even Moses has this against them. Ang sabi nga po ni Moses, hanggang kailan kayo magmamatigas sa Panginoon? And you know what? I realize mga kapatid na sa puntong ito, that's why worship is very important. That's why we pray together, we worship together, because this reminds us to open our hearts to the Lord.